Hello, fellow chicken enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the Brahma chicken, one of the world's largest chicken breeds? What are the challenges of raising these giants? Let's find out. In this article, we'll reveal everything you need to know about this special breed, from characteristics, care, to interesting facts that few people know. So, don't take your eyes off. Let's get started. Brahma chickens have a fascinating history that goes back to the mid-19th century. They were developed right here in the United States, but their roots trace back to chickens imported from the port of Shanghai, China. Their impressive size made them a popular choice for meat production in the 1850s, and they quickly became the go-to chicken for American farmers. Some Brahmas were even sent to England, where they became a hit at poultry shows thanks to their size and beauty. From the 1850s to the 1930s, Brahmas were the stars of the poultry world, mainly prized for their meat. Many farms prefer raising Brahma chickens due to their calm temperament and high-quality meat and egg production. They are commonly raised in various poultry farming systems, including enclosed coops, partitioned concrete coops, free-range setups, and pasture-raised systems, making them a versatile choice for farmers. Brahmas are well-suited for cold climates, thanks to their thick, downy feathers and pea comb, which help protect them from frostbite. Their feathered feet add extra insulation, and they tend to be quieter than many other breeds. Due to their large size, they require more space and bigger nesting boxes, but their gentle nature allows them to get along well with other chickens, making them a great addition to any flock. These Brahma chickens, often called the king of chickens, are known for their massive size and regal appearance. These gentle giants quickly gained popularity for their impressive size and dual-purpose qualities, making them a favorite on farms and in poultry exhibitions. Brahma roosters can weigh between 12 to 14 pounds, while hens typically range from 10 to 12 pounds. Despite their large frame, they move gracefully and elegantly, their soft, dense feathers extending down their legs and feet. They come in stunning color variations, light, dark, and buff, each featuring intricate patterns and shading. Brahma chickens are super chill. They're known for their laid-back personalities and even have a reputation for being huggable. Don't get me wrong, they can stand up for themselves when needed, but they generally prefer to avoid drama and get along well with other birds. These gentle giants can live for 7 to 9 years, making them a long-term commitment. Hardy and adaptable, Brahmas thrive on a balanced diet of grains, seeds, greens, and insects, ensuring they receive the necessary nutrients for optimal health and growth. Their excellent foraging skills allow them to find natural food sources when given space to roam, reducing feed costs for farmers. In addition, farmers often mix foods such as green vegetables, seeds, and rice with poultry bran to feed them. During the breeding season, the farmer prepares for mating by grouping one healthy rooster with 3 to 4 hens. Only strong, disease-free chickens with desirable traits are selected to ensure high-quality offspring. In the best conditions, Brahma hens usually lay about 25 to 30 eggs in a clutch. Compared to other chicken breeds, this number of eggs is quite stable and large. Brahma eggs are usually light brown. The eggshells are usually thicker and stronger than other types of eggs. A number of eggs will be harvested for immediate consumption. Brahma eggs are highly appreciated for their quality, thick yolks, and delicious taste. The remaining eggs will be washed, marked and put into incubators to ensure the highest hatching rate. Newly hatched Brahma chicks typically have soft yellow or light brown feathers. They are known for their robust health and strong adaptability. From the moment they hatch, Brahma chicks are noticeably larger than most other chicken breeds, and their legs already show early signs of feathering, a distinct trait of the breed. They will be vaccinated soon. This is extremely important to ensure they grow healthily and prevent infectious diseases. Once the chicks are strong and healthy, and they reach an appropriate age, they are transferred to a larger coop, where they can continue growing and adapting to their environment. What truly sets the Brahma chicken apart is their calm, docile nature, paired with their striking looks and towering stature. Known for their strong egg production, especially in colder months, Brahmas are as practical as they are beautiful. With their dignified demeanor and commanding presence, they remain one of the most iconic and beloved chicken breeds in the world. Brahma chickens are prized for their firm, flavorful meat, making them perfect for a variety of dishes such as boiling, steaming, stir-frying, grilling, and cooking with porridge. Their meat is leaner than some other breeds, with a slightly chewy texture and a naturally rich, sweet taste. Thanks to their impressive size, each Brahma chicken yields a generous amount of meat. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to check out more fascinating farming processes from around the world on our channel. See you next time.